monthly we had these areas to target. We have this area in the monthly to target. We have here target for the month, and we have here to target. So now this is the scale for the monthly. So currently now what we should be looking for is this scale for the weekly. So now in the weekly we have this weekly support. Yeah, we have this weekly support here. You get we have this weekly support here. You get so currently we could see that price is going higher, price is going bullish. You get so actually just thinking, what could I really do this week now? And because now if you notice this area here now, it's like a resistance zone. You get so now if you look closely, what I'm seeing here is that price will likely push these guys down. The next week will go bearish first. You get will go bearish first. Then once it get to a support area, I think from there it will go high. So I'm actually spectating price, you get, and react. I'm spectating price, yeah. I'll use that word, spectate. You get so let me go to the daily. In that our support area, we are looking for entry from the support area in the weekly. You get, and we also consider the daily too. So now once we go down to the daily, now once we go down to the daily, we will realize that there is no major support area. There is no major support area yet in the daily. Why? Because this one here was the first support area we had. We traded from it, and this was the next support we had. We traded from it. So now the only support area that we might want to look after is this one here. But I won't really focus here because I won't really put my focus here because I think the force from this resistance area here will push price below. You get, will push price low. So now this is the support we are having, and it's just giving us a week. We are looking at this particular candle, this Thursday 11th September. Okay, that's the candle we are looking at. So that's the candle. So now we need to see the candle. We need to see when we are looking at the week now. It's just the week the line is at. So we need to see how it's reacting, how the candle are in the maybe in the 1 hour or in the 4 hours, so that we can actually know our entry. You get. So now let's go down here. Let's go down. Now we could clearly see that yeah, in the 4 hour here we have like a support area here. Okay, we have this first support which got traded into, and we have the second support here. You get, we have the second support here. Okay, so why I won't really want to trade here is because yeah, is because now anything that makes us come here and don't come here doesn't really make sense. For price to get here, get to this side, and don't get here doesn't really make sense. So let's go down to, it's still giving us a week. We want to see a candle. Let's go down to the 1 hour. I don't use 2 hours at all. I don't really look at it. So now in the 1 hour, this is where everything gets interesting. You could clearly see here we have this support area. We traded from it. So now the only area we haven't traded from is this first line of defense and this second line of defense. And this second line of defense is where the weekly support is at. So now this will be a good trade for next week. So let's just anticipate it. And see how it works. So if we look at the line chart here, we could see, yeah, it's a very good one. So we'll take this point here and we'll trade from it. If you get. So let's just see how the week goes, and react and see how the trade goes also too. You get, guys.